Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Wednesday, October 16th, 2019. Please rise and place your right hand over your heart and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence. Please be seated. Today we have Simone Mendoza Zapata's birthday. Happy birthday, Simone. I hope you have an amazing day. Please come by my office and get your special birthday gift. Also today, focus on being relentless. Today that means not giving up. We have a super short week, and it's even shorter for you guys. You have today and tomorrow to really push yourselves to do your best. Also, idea 26, do not save seats in the lunchroom. Some announcements are, some of you have been giving me your $5 for an AD, and those $5 add up, and some of you have already lost your AD a couple of times. Just so you know, that's a lot of money that you're losing from just not being responsible and keeping your ID with you at all times. Find a special spot to put it at night, and always remember to take it out of that spot in the morning. I would suggest one of the compartments on your backpack. Also, today is Wednesday, so that means you return to your third block for academic block. Also, take some time to look at your uniform. Today, you should be 100% in uniform. Take off any non-idea jackets. Check to make sure you have the black shoes, black or khaki pants, that you have your belt on, and you have your blue polo tucked in. All right, today you may have your social emotional lesson, or it may be tomorrow, but it's about thinking before you speak. So making sure that you're speaking with intention and that you're watching your words. Also, a ton of you have tests tomorrow. So make sure that you are studying tonight, that you are asking lots of questions in class, and that you are ready to go for tomorrow. Also, unfortunately, we had 21 scholars out yesterday, which means we only had a 96.88% attendance. We did not meet our goal of 97.5. Please, please, please make sure you are here every single day. Make sure you tell your parents how important it is that you're here every single day. And if that's not a good reason enough, make sure you know we are doing our attendance challenge, and it's already going to be tomorrow is when we pull the names. So you just being here for these 3 days is what's going to qualify you for being here. Also, it is fine to wear your sports jersey to school today. The rest of your uniform should be exactly like it is now, but you can have a sports jersey on. So thank you for being here today, and then tomorrow we will see you in your sports jersey. Also, if you are here all 3 days this week and all 5 days the week after, so next week, you will be entered in a raffle to win a brand new bicycle. So make sure you look in the hallways, because I'm going to prop them outside so you can see and picture yourself riding that brand new bicycle. The vocabulary word of the day is glimpse. The definition is to look quickly. An example, the blurb at the back of the book will give you a glimpse of what the story is about. Now, please say the Runberg Academy chant with me and really truly think about what you're saying as you say it. Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Make it a wonderful, wonderful Wednesday. And remember, that choice is all yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, love you, love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes to call and dojo parents of the students that are not in your homeroom yet, and make sure you message the ADA group me. Thank you all and have an amazing day.